Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, day 9 of our 100 days of Python challenge. We are diving into Python operators today. These are building blocks of performing operations on variable and values. First up, we have arithmetic operators like plus, minus, into, division and more. They handle basic math operations. Next, assignment operators. They assign values to variables and can also include arithmetic operations. We also have comparison operators for comparing values. They return true or false. Then there are logical operators like and, or, and, not for combining conditional statements. Identity operators check if two variables refer to the same object. Lastly, we have bitwise operators for binary calculations. Remember, operator precedence determines the order of operations in expressions. That's a quick overview of Python operators. Practice these to get a solid foundation. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.